Orisha Olokun, the Orissa of the ocean depths, mysteries and wealth. Olokun is the Orissa of the deep sea, symbolizing the vast untapped potential of the ocean's depths, representing mysteries, wealth and transformation. Olokun governs the hidden aspects of life and the spiritual and material treasures that arise from self-discovery. Orisha Olokun, the ruler of the deepest parts of the ocean, embodies mystery, wealth, wisdom and transformation. He governs the vast unknown, holding the secrets of creation, destiny and hidden riches beneath the waves. As the Orisha of prosperity and the subconscious mind, Olokun controls the ebb and flow of fortune, emotional depths and ancestral wisdom. His presence in the 16 Odu Meji reveals his role as the keeper of hidden treasures, the guardian of divine mysteries, and the one who teaches that true wealth, both material and spiritual, comes from understanding the depths of one's soul and destiny. He highlights themes of patience, perseverance, and the balance between the known and the unknown. In Eji Agba, Olokun manifests as the vast boundless force of abundance, showing that the ocean is the source of all life and prosperity. He teaches that those who respect the cycles of nature and economy will always find sustenance and success. In Oyeku Meji, he governs the deep and hidden aspects of existence, showing that what is unseen often has the most power. Here, he teaches that patience and inner reflection lead to enlightenment, and that not all knowledge should be revealed at once. Iwari Meji highlights his role as the keeper of ancestral wisdom, revealing that the past holds the key to prosperity, and that those who seek their roots will find their true path. He teaches that wealth is not just material but also spiritual. In Odi Meji, Olokun governs the mysteries of containment and preservation, ensuring that knowledge and resources are protected for future generations. He teaches that managing wealth wisely leads to long-term prosperity. Irison Meji reveals his connection to initiation and transformation, showing that those who dive deep into their spiritual selves will discover their true potential. Here, he reminds us that personal evolution requires embracing the unknown. Oanrin Meji portrays him as the force behind unexpected changes in fortune, demonstrating that wealth can rise and fall like the tides. He teaches that balance and humility are essential when dealing with success and prosperity. In Obara Meji, Olokun appears as the bringer of wealth and commerce, ruling trade routes and financial stability. He teaches that money, like water, must flow freely to bring abundance. Okanrin Meji presents him as the guardian of hidden power, revealing that those who understand the mysteries of the ocean will unlock great blessings. He teaches that knowledge is the true key to mastering life's challenges. Ogunda Meji highlights his warrior aspect, showing that the ocean can be both nurturing and destructive. He teaches that raw power must be guided by wisdom, and that recklessness leads to downfall. In Osa Meji, he governs prophecy and intuition, revealing that dreams and subconscious messages are gateways to divine knowledge. He teaches that those who listen to their inner voice will always find the right path. Ika Meji emphasizes his role in healing, showing that water is both a cleanser and a source of renewal. He teaches that emotional wounds, like physical ones, must be treated with patience and care. Oturupan Meji portrays him as the master of hidden treasures, ensuring that only those who prove themselves worthy gain access to his vast knowledge and wealth. He teaches that wisdom is earned, not given. In Otura Meji, Olokun governs the cycles of rise and fall, reminding us that nothing in life remains stagnant. He teaches that those who prepare for both prosperity and hardship will remain unshaken. Irate Meji reveals him as the protector of sacred traditions, ensuring that the rituals and ceremonies of the ocean remain strong and respected. Oze Meji connects him to spiritual purification, showing that the ocean's waters wash away negativity, bringing clarity and renewal. Finally, in Ofun Meji, Olokun represents the eternal depth of divine wisdom, where all mysteries are stored and where the answers to life's greatest questions reside. He teaches that those who respect the ocean's power and mysteries will always find themselves blessed with protection, insight, and prosperity. Across all 16 Odu Meji, Olokun teaches that true wealth is more than gold, it is knowledge, balance, and the ability to navigate the unseen forces of life. His lesson is clear. Those who honor the depths, embrace transformation, and respect the power of the unknown will find fortune, wisdom, and divine favor. Odu Ogbe Meji, the keeper of hidden potential. In Odu Ogbe Meji, Olokun represents the hidden potential waiting to be discovered. Myths recount Olokun granting a humble fisherman access to a secret underwater kingdom filled with riches after demonstrating respect for the ocean. This Odu teaches the Quorant to recognize and nurture the latent possibilities within themselves. Odu Oyeku Meji, the guardian of cycles. In Odu Oyeku Meji, Olokun governs the cycles of ebb and flow, reflecting life's transitions. Myths describe Olokun calming turbulent seas to allow a ship to return safely, symbolizing his role in restoring balance. This Odu emphasizes the importance of patience and trust in divine timing. Odu Iwari Meji, the illuminator of secrets. In Odu Iwari Meji, Olokun reveals the secrets of the ocean depths, offering wisdom to those who seek it. Myths tell of Olokun teaching a young devotee the mysteries of the tides and their spiritual significance. This Odu encourages the Quorant to delve deeply into their inner world to uncover hidden truths. Odu Odi Meji, the protector of stability. In Odu Odi Meji, Olokun ensures the stability and continuity of communities. Myths recount Olokun providing steady currents to support maritime trade, fostering prosperity. This Odu teaches the Quorant to maintain balance in their endeavors and relationships. Odu Irisan Meji, the bridge to ancestral depths. In Odu Irisan Meji, Olokun connects the living with their ancestral roots through water. Myths describe rituals performed at the ocean to honor ancestors and receive their blessings. This Odu emphasizes the importance of acknowledging one's heritage to access spiritual guidance and protection. Odu Oonran Meji, the provider of wealth. In Odu Oonran Meji, Olokun channels material and spiritual wealth from the depths of the sea. Myths recount how Olokun blessed a community with pearls and other treasures after they honored him with offerings. This Odu highlights the importance of gratitude and respect for natural resources. Odu Obara Meji, strength in mystery. In Odu Obara Meji, Olokun teaches the power of embracing mystery and the unknown. Myths tell of Olokun aiding a ruler in solving a complex problem by guiding them to trust their intuition. This Odu encourages the Quorant to find strength in uncertainty and trust divine wisdom. Odu Okonran Meji, the arbiter of justice. In Odu Okonran Meji, Olokun ensures fairness and equity in matters of wealth and resources. Myths describe Olokun mediating disputes over maritime territories, restoring harmony. This Odu teaches that justice often requires a deep understanding of hidden dynamics. Odu Ogunda Meji, the clearer of paths. In Odu Ogunda Meji, Olokun clears spiritual and material blockages that hinder progress. Myths recount Olokun guiding sailors through treacherous waters, ensuring safe passage. This Odu emphasizes perseverance and trust in divine guidance to overcome challenges. Odu Osa Meji, justice through balance. In Odu Osa Meji, Olokun collaborates with other Orisa to maintain balance and justice in the world. Myths describe Olokun calming a violent storm caused by human greed, restoring equilibrium. This Odu highlights the importance of ethical behavior in achieving harmony. Odu Aika Meji, revealer of hidden treasures. In Odu Aika Meji, Olokun reveals the treasures hidden within life's challenges. Myths recount Olokun leading a diver to a cave filled with jewels after a test of perseverance. This Odu teaches the Quorant to look beyond immediate difficulties to uncover profound rewards. Odu Oturupan Meji, reconciler of conflicts. In Odu Oturupan Meji, Olokun mediates conflicts by fostering understanding and compromise. Myths describe Olokun resolving disputes over fishing rights, ensuring fair access for all. This Odu highlights the role of communication and empathy in resolving disputes. Odu Otura Meji, the guide to new opportunities. In Odu Otura Meji, Olokun inspires exploration and the discovery of new opportunities. Myths recount how Olokun guided a lost sailor to uncharted lands filled with abundance. This Odu encourages the Quorant to embrace change and seek divine guidance in pursuing their goals. Odu Ayerte Meji, advocate for patience and gratitude. In Odu Ayerte Meji, Olokun emphasizes patience and gratitude in achieving success. Myths tell of Olokun withholding blessings from a community until they learned to show appreciation for his gifts. This Odu highlights the importance of humility and thankfulness. Odu Oze Meji, the harmonizer of energies. In Odu Oze Meji, Olokun harmonizes spiritual and material energies to foster abundance. Myths tell of Olokun teaching a community to balance their desires with gratitude, resulting in prosperity. This Odu emphasizes the interconnectedness of spiritual alignment and material success. Odu Ofun Meji, the eternal guardian of mysteries. In Odu Ofun Meji, Olokun embodies the eternal mysteries of the deep and the cycles of transformation. Myths describe him as the keeper of sacred knowledge, hidden within the ocean, accessible only to those deemed worthy. This Odu teaches the Quorant to align with universal truths and embrace life's mysteries.